Can you name these 12 nature colors just from their missing letters in 90 seconds? The highest score in this quiz is 8 out of 10 without Googling. Question 5 is where the real test begins. First one. Blue. Second one. Green. Third one. Red. Like the video, if you answer first 3 correct. Fourth one. Orange. Fifth one. Yellow. Sixth one. Indigo. Press the subscribe button for more daily quizzes. Seventh one. Purple. Eighth one. White. Ninth one. Brown. Get ready for your last question. Save this quiz and don't forget to tell me your score in the comments. Last one.